Hello my queen, and welcome to Les Belles de Bene, a space dedicated to the development, encouragement, and empowerment of African women. In this series, which will include 20 videos, we will discuss love, faith, and fulfillment in African couples. In previous episodes, we discussed the importance of speaking sincerely, listening from the heart, and expressing gratitude. Today we are going to a very powerful key. It is about apologizing sincerely when you have hurt the other. Yes, my queen, apologizing does not make you weak. On the contrary, it shows your greatness, your wisdom, and your ability to love without pride. A woman who recognizes herself builds a lasting love, rooted in humility and peace. My queen, when you apologize sincerely, you close the door to resentment and open the door to reconciliation. Here's how to apologize, both in a practical way, step by step. The first point is to recognize your mistakes without excuses or justification. If you have hurt your partner, avoid saying yes, but it is because you too. Simply say, I recognize that I was wrong. The second point is to apologize quickly. Do not wait for the wound without venom. The sooner you apologize, the faster peace returns. The third point is to express your regret with gentleness and truth. Uncle, your gaze and attitude must reflect your sincerity. The fourth point is to listen to your partner's pain without defending yourself. Give them space to express what they feel. The fifth point is to take a concrete action to repair a thought. A gesture, a prayer together, show them that you truly want to restore the bond. Here are some practical examples to help you apologize with sincerity and wisdom. The first example is to calmly say, I recognize that I was wrong to speak to you in that tone. I ask for your forgiveness. The second example is to write a sincere message. I realize that my words hurt you. That was not my intention. Forgive me. The third example is to acknowledge an oversight. Quote, I'm sorry I forgot what was important to you. I will do better. The fourth example is to add a loving gesture to your apology. A hug, a dinner prepared from the heart, a little note left on the pillow. The fifth example is to pray with your partner. Lord, help us to forgive, heal, and love each other more deeply every day. Place your hand on your heart, my queen, and repeat this statement with me. Repeat it this time in a row to bring lasting peace into your relationship. Say this, Lord, give me a gentle, ambling heart. Teach me to acknowledge my wrongs without fear or pride. I declare that my apologies bring healing and peace. My relationship is a land of reconciliation, love, and grace. Amen. Today, my queen, I invite you to think of a time when you may have hurt your partner, even slightly. And to take the first step, simply tell them I'm sorry. You will see the power of this phrase when it comes from the heart. Then come tell me in the comments. How did your husband or partner react to your apology? I want to read your testimony, encourage you, and congratulate you for your courage. If this video has blessed you, subscribe right away, like the video, and share it with another African woman who wants to teach you how to love with grace and maturity. Together, my queen, we are building a generation of women who heal through love and wisdom. In the next video, my sister, we will talk about an essential key to nurturing respect and peace in your relationship. It is about respecting the differences between you and your partner. You will discover how tolerance and understanding can transform your home. Stay connected, my queen, and remember, apologizing does not diminish your radiance. On the contrary, it makes you even more beautiful in love. May God bless you, and see you soon.